Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my first unboxing video. I've never done this before, and I've seen a lot of people doing online, and I thought it looked pretty simple. Maybe I should get into it, and maybe YouTube can pay me if I get a lot of subscribers. So what I bought here is a product by Logitech. It's a USB headset. The model is H390. So I got this off Amazon. The price was 19.99, so just less than 20 bucks. Um, and I bet it would have been cheaper if I bought it on Cyber Monday. But anyways, so I already unboxed it because I wanted to use a headset so you hear the quality of the audio. So basically, this is meant for you to be able to work from home, take calls on your computer. It has a normal USB. It's not a USB-C, so you do need to have the old USB port on your computer so you can be able to plug it in and use it. I'm not sure if it comes with a different model with the USB-C. I'm not really sure, but it doesn't even say that. However, it has some really cool features that are listed here on the back of the box. So, digital stereo surround, which basically means provides enhanced digital audio for music, games, and calls. And let me tell you guys, I listen to music with this thing, and I just wanted to see the audio quality, which I wasn't expecting much from it because this is like a headset for taking meetings, and so I tend to think, okay, it's probably not meant. It's not like a Beats headphones, that's meant to listen to music. However, I was very, very impressed, surprisingly and pleasantly surprised. Um, so I loved it. I loved it. The bass was coming through from the music. The audio was super clear. You can hear the voice very clearly. The instruments, you can hear all of those things almost individually, just coming through in a very crisp way through these headsets that are just 20 bucks. I was very impressed. And some other features they have is this inline control, and I can show you here. Basically, volume control up and down, and there's a mute and unmute button there, which stays red when it's muted. However, if you unmute it, oh, actually, I think it stays red when it's unmuted because right now I am using the headset and I know it's recording the audio. However, I guess let's push the button and see what happens. So as I was saying, the button flashes, the red dot, the red light flashes. I'm sorry, I have a call coming in. So it'll be good to see actually if it picks up external noise or whether it's able to mute that away and not be so distractive to my voice. So it'll be interested to hear what that sounds like in the video. So yeah, so the red light flashes whenever you mute the microphone. Okay, I guess I'm okay with that. Um, yes, it has a padded comfort, so there's leather on the ear cushions, which makes it very comfortable. This is meant, for working from home. Well, not necessarily, but if you are doing that with it, then I think you could comfortably work with this for 8 hours. I work from home, so if that changes, I'll come back and if it doesn't support 8 hours like comfortably on my head, I will come back and update this video. I'll release an update video probably a month from now or a couple weeks, and it does a noise canceling mic, so that's very interesting. My phone was just ringing right here next to me, so I wonder if that was cancelled. I do know that when I'm listening to music, I could not hear much of the external noises. So if somebody was to knock on the door here in my office, I probably wouldn't be able to hear it very well. Um, or really any outside noises probably I wouldn't. So I do love that sound isolation feature because it allows me to kind of focus on my meetings or whatever I'm using the headsets for. So yeah, it's a very nice headset. I think it's definitely. I've been looking for one for a while. I've been trying to use my earphones that came with my phone on my computer, and it hasn't been that great of quality. So I figured it's time to go professional a little bit and get a headset. Um, and I'm hoping to do a lot of interviews. You know, I'm a freelancer, and sometimes I work with clients that want to do meetings. So I'm gonna be using this for that, and hopefully it should be sounding very clear. Okay, so that's it. I don't really think there's anything else. I mean, the cable is pretty long. Probably, let's see, how many feet is this? One, two, three, about 5 feet long, I would say. Yeah, so, or maybe 6 feet probably. It sounds like more of a standard size for cable length. Um, that's it. Thank you very much. I hope this is great. Please leave likes and comments and feedback, and I'll be able to. I'll look at those for sure. So I do want to improve my quality of what I deliver to you, so you can continue to have a lot of value. One thing I wanted to mention actually about this headphone, I decided to like put it all the way down because I do not want to see a thing, the microphone sticking out, you know, when I'm talking to people. So I wanted to test how the audio would come through having it all the way down there. You know, you can have it closer to your mouth, and obviously there'll be more audio. It'll be louder because it's closer to your mouth, right? However, maybe I want to see that thing. Oh, and this is interesting. So if you push the mic all the way down, the microphone all the way down, it kind of interferes with the cable. So maybe that could cause some random noise. Who knows? However, I think if I have it just here, I cannot see it from the corner of my eye, and that's good enough so I can actually focus without distraction when I'm communicating with someone, especially over video. Um, yeah, so the microphone is on the left side, as you can see. It doesn't allow you, the microphone goes all the way up and kind of all the way down, so almost 180 degrees. So you have to use it on the left side, and it's not an issue. I know some people prefer the right side, but I don't think it makes a big difference, honestly. Um, Once you start using it, you're gonna kind of just forget, about all that. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. My name is Wilson, and see you at the next review.